Uncle Drew's Meatsauce Casserole.
Okay, let's get to work here. I've already chopped up some mushrooms and onions. I've just done that for the cilantro. I've got some oil in my hot pan, and I'm gonna saute up those onions, add in that garlic I've seasoned with some salt and pepper, and here I've added in my ground beef. Now that our ground beef is in the pan, I'm gonna go ahead and season that up again. I like to season in layers. I've added in a touch more salt and pepper, some oregano, and I've got some cayenne pepper in there. We'll give that a good mix and then cover it up and let that cook at a nice medium-low heat. It's looking fantastic. Another quick little stir. And here come our mushrooms and some cilantro chopped right inside. And that is my marinara sauce. I've taken that from the freezer. I had one left. So what I do here is I add a little bit of tomato paste, and then I'm also going to season again. Some oregano, some basil, and yes, another touch of salt and pepper. I've got a mixture there of spaghetti and fettuccine, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my sauce right on top. This is such an easy recipe, and honestly, I didn't know where it was gonna go when I started out. I just started adding everything in. I almost wanna call this the kitchen sink Meatsauce Casserole. Here comes the cheese. I'm going to layer that in, and then I am also going to grate some fresh Parmesan in there before I put it in the oven, just to melt it and bake it. If you could, please also do me a favor here and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and that way you can get notified every time I post a new easy recipe. I'll tell you what, cooking this casserole is very easy, it's very quick, and it can feed a whole lot of people. It is simply delicious. You will be a star.
Doesn't that look freaking incredible? Look. Oh, goodness, look. Oh my gosh. Can't touch that, it's too hot. I brought my big spoon out for the occasion. It's gonna be gooey and hot. Oh my gosh. I can't eat that. It's gonna be way too hot. Way too hot. Oh my gosh. Way too hot. Oh. That's gonna burn. Oh my gosh. Oh. Boom! That is so good. I don't even care that I'm burning. Oh. It's so hot, but it's so good. Oh, here comes the heat. Oh, here comes the heat. Woo! That's fantastic. That's fantastic. That is so good. Give this one a try. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn that notification button on. You've got to see the easy recipe for this one. Everything's going to be in that description. It's so spicy from what I've done here. I'm already breaking out into the sweats. I don't even think it's a meat sweats. This is temperature sweats, and this is spicy sweats. Oh my gosh. That's a dish that you can feed a lot of people on for something like this, and it takes only a few minutes and a few easy ingredients to make. Until next time, happy cooking. Wow. Oh. I almost forgot my fresh herb focaccia rolls. Those are still piping hot too. Whew. Delicious meal.